If you're looking for the perfect gift for that special stoner in your life, or you've been eyeing BlueBus's product line for yourself, but you're not sure which product is right for you, you reached the right video. Today, I'll go over some of the differences between some of their most popular products so you can decide which one is right for you or that special someone in your life. Let's get right into it. We'll start small and work our way up. First, we have the Tiger, which is a stainless steel cone loader with a packing tool. This product is great for people that might already have all the accessories they need, like grinders and jars and stuff like that, but they like to pack a lot of cones, and this is a great little tool to make it super easy for them. It's also a great gift, especially if you're on a budget. Next up is the Orion tabletop cone loader. It comes with a base, a little tray that you can use instead of actually using the cone packer, two different sizes for cone funnels that you can put in there, whether you're doing a king size joint or a regular joint. And last but not least, we have a little brush and a packing tool to make your life a lot easier when you're packing your cones. This is a great product for people that pack and smoke a lot of cones, but they might do it at home most of the time, so they don't really need an on-the-go option. It's also a great gift for smokers that won't break the bank. Next up, we have the Bulldog Stash Bag. This comes with a lockable, smell-proof case. When you open it up, you'll see two stainless steel airtight jars, as well as a 4-piece grinder, and they're locked in place, so they're not gonna go flying around. In the zipper area, you have a couple of accessories. One is the stainless steel cone loader that we saw earlier, which is in the Tiger. And the other bag, we have a few accessories. One would be the metal cone packer. We have the brush, and we also have some clippers that you can use to trim off the end of your joints or whatever you might need. The Bulldog is great for smokers that are on the go a lot, or they might have kids or people that they want to keep away from their stash. It's really great for joint or cone smokers alike that need an all-in-one bundle of essentials. And also, if you vape on the go, you know how important it is to have an extra storage for your battery. Now we're getting into the bigger items like the Blaze Stash Rolling Tray. It comes with a smell-proof case. This is not lockable like the Bulldog, but if we open it up, you can see that it comes with a lot of accessories. We have two airtight metal jars, a high-quality 4-piece grinder, a light that connects magnetically to your tray when you're rolling in the dark. Here we have a tablet or phone stand that you can place on the back right here. And last but not least, we have a metal box full of accessories, which include two different sizes of cone loaders that actually go right here in the corner of the tray. You have a brush to help you clean up your tray or just load the material into the cone, a metal packing tool like the others, and a pair of the clippers to help you clip off the end of your joints or your cones. And not to forget the super high quality wooden rolling tray that also has all the special spots in the tray to put your tools, so everything is nice and neat. The Blaze is great for people who enjoy smoking on the go and need a durable, portable solution. It's also great for those who like to smoke with friends and just appreciate sharing a communal experience. And if you're someone who values aesthetics and just wants a stylish, clean addition to your smoking accessories. If you're wanting a beautiful stash box for your home, there's two options. The first one is the Genesis. There's a version that comes with a key lock, and there's another version that comes with a fingerprint lock. This box has some great functionality and comes with some awesome accessories inside. First, we have a rolling tray that slides out. You can use this little opening right here to slide your herb into your papers. Inside, we have 3 airtight glass jars. We have a metal 4-piece grinder. This also comes with a brush to keep your grinder nice and clean so it doesn't get all gunked up. And last but not least, we have our tool accessories, which is our metal packer. We have the brush, and we have the metal clippers as well. So who is the Genesis great for? It's really great for people that want to prioritize safety and discretion with their products. And really just anybody that enjoys having everything in just one nice stylish box, this is definitely the one to go with. The other stash box is the Discovery, and this one also has an option for a key lock or a fingerprint lock. This one also comes with a ton of accessories, and it's super customizable because it has a magnetic lid as well as some extra options that the Genesis doesn't have. For example, like the cone loader that's built into the tray. Some of the other things included in the Discovery is a little metal tray that you can use to put your herb. This is a great little ashtray or spot to put your joint or cone as you're smoking it. You can just ash right in that spot. When we remove the tray underneath, you can see it comes with 3 glass airtight jars as well, a metal 4-piece grinder, a brush to clean that grinder, as well as some of the same accessories we saw before, which are the 2 different sizes of cone loaders that fit right into the tray. You have the brush, as well as the metal cone packing tool. And last but not least, you have your clippers that you can use to trim the end of your joints off. If you see inside of the box, you have one of the main differences between the Discovery and the Genesis is that it has this extra little compartment that you can fit some stuff under here, as well as the option to remove the tray so you have maximum customization of your stash box. And not to forget the USB charger for the fingerprint lock so you never lock out. Another great option about the Discovery is that you can really tailor it depending on how you roll up or like to consume. When the tray is slid out like this, you can take this extra attachment and connect it right to the side and just put your brush, your packing tool, and you can put your cone loaders or extra accessories in there as well. The Discovery is great for people who appreciate quality tools. It could also be for a newcomer that's looking for an all-in-one kit to start their journey, or someone that's just looking for a sleek, streamlined setup that can be customized to their consumption preferences. So that just about covers all of BlueBus's products. If you're in the market for yourself, or if you're looking for a great gift for that special stoner in your life, you can rest assured that BlueBus has an option for you. If you have questions about any of the products that you've seen today, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.